So, sitting for hours shouldn't feel like a slow motion injury. If you're shopping for a mesh ergonomic office chair with real support, including footrest, headrest, and lumbar support, today's Living TV episode is your spine's new best friend. So let's break down what makes a chair truly ergonomic, how to sit pain-free, and why your current seat might be ruining your back. And to be respectful of your time, I've included timestamps to each section in the description below. Ergonomic meaning. What classifies a chair as ergonomic? If your office chair is slowly turning you into the Hunchback of Zoom Calls, it's not ergonomic. So what makes a chair ergonomic? Well, ergonomic just means your body won't hate you for sitting. It's a chair that adjusts to you, not the other way around. So here's the checklist to follow when searching for an ergonomic chair. So if your chair doesn't do these things, it's not ergonomic, it's just rude. How to sit properly in an office chair to avoid knee and lower back pain. Feel like your chair is aging you and fast forward? Let's fix that. Here's how to sit to avoid knee and back pain. Sit all the way back rather than hovering like you're about to leave. Your lower back should be supported by lumbar padding, not thin air. Keep knees bent at 90 degrees with your feet flat on the floor. And for chair height, your hips should be level with or slightly above knees to take pressure off your lower back and knees. Adjust your setup like you're proud of your spine. Best ergonomic mesh office chair with footrest, headrest, and lumbar support. Are you still sitting in that uncomfortable, sweaty office chair from 2009? Here's what chiropractors recommend you look for in ergonomic office chairs to avoid lower back pain and knee pain. It should have a mesh back and seat. It should have adjustable armrests. This keeps your shoulders relaxed to reduce neck tension. It should also have lumbar support. This keeps your back from folding like a lawn chair. It should also have a headrest and footrest. This provides neck support and lower body relaxation. It should also have recline and tilt options because being still for 8 hours is just unnatural. And it should have seat height and depth adjustment, so your knees stay at 90 degrees and your feet flat on the floor. The OdinLake O2 Ergo MAX 747 Ergonomic Office Chair Review. So if your chair feels like medieval punishment, meet the OdinLake O2 Ergo MAX 747. This is the ergonomic office chair your spine's been begging for. Check out these top features. The wire control mechanism. Push a button and tilt like a boss. It has a 135-degree recline and lock. So you can be in work mode and then you can switch to I'm done mode in seconds. It has 3-section split backrest. This feels like a 3-point hug for your spine. Has 4D armrests plus silent wheels, which makes it smooth, quiet, and comfy. And a 2D headrest to treat your neck like it's on vacation. And an optional footrest edition to stretch out and pretend like you're flying first class, even if you're just answering emails in your underwear. It has a dual frame design, which is sturdy and stable like a tank, and a 15-year warranty, and it's great for short and tall people. It's designed for people between 5'3" and 6'3", with a weight capacity up to 350 pounds. This is an ergonomic lifestyle upgrade, not just a chair. The link and coupon code to the chair is in the description. Ergonomic chair assembly, setup, and installation. So assembling an ergonomic chair may sound tough, but not when it comes to the setup of the OdinLake O2 Ergo MAX 747. If you've ever built anything with more than 2 screws, you're overqualified. So assembly takes 15 to 20 minutes by yourself using just the provided Allen wrench. Pop in the wheels, attach the seat, attach the armrests, bolt the back, and you're pretty much done. One person, no swearing required. Are ergonomic office chairs worth it? How much should you spend on an ergonomic chair? Well, if you paid $49.99 for that wobbly disaster you're sitting in, your back's already filing for divorce. Cheap chairs cause pain. Good chairs prevent it. If you're sitting for 6+ hours a day, how much is your spine worth to you? Aiming for something in the $300 to $900 range is where real ergonomic support lives. And the OdinLake O2 Ergo MAX 747 sits in the sweet spot with premium features for under $1,000. But if your budget is under $400, go with the OdinLake L2 Ergo Pro 633 with built-in footrest. Spending a little more upfront equals fewer chiropractor visits later. Ergonomic chair versus gaming chair. What's the difference? Gaming chairs equals look cool. Ergonomic chairs equals feel great. So gaming chairs are designed for aesthetics. Ergonomic chairs are designed for your actual spine. One says, bruh, this looks sick. The other says, bro, you're not broken after sitting for 8 hours. If you want the best of both worlds, the OdinLake O2 Ergo MAX 747 ergonomic chair is the move. Link and coupon code to this chair is in the description. Question of the day. Drop a comment and tell me, do you use an ergonomic chair? And if so, what are your favorite features? Smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss the next one. We're on a mission to transform 1 million lives, and I want you on the team. To continue your transformation, go check out this video post right here where I review the OdinLake Standing Desk S450 and share the pros and cons of standing versus sitting while working. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.